Okay, so now that the paper is completely dried flat and it is no longer cool to the touch, I know that it's safe to remove my masking tape. And what I want to do is just take the edge of the tape and pull outward, out and away. Never pull in. That's how you end up with tears that interfere and come right into your painting. So it's super simple, out and away. We're always so eager to take the masking tape off, but before you do that, you just want to remember that extra little bit of information, because this will keep your tape from tearing into your painting. And that will defeat the whole purpose of wanting that beautiful, clean edge. So there we have it, a gorgeous clean edge ready for your mat board and its new frame.